Woodrow Wilson High School is the third school in the District of Columbia to have a mass media program available to students. The opportunity to create media-based projects with the use of professional technology has expanded the level of creativity possible in the classroom.
Well, what originally drew me into this class was the challenge. I heard that it was a challenge, so I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to learn how movies and television shows were edited and made.
First, we write a script and we plan out our shots and how we're gonna set up our film. And then we get the chance to choose our actors and film our video. After we have finished filming, we hook the cameras up to the computers and get the footage onto the computer.
What I like about it is that it's at industry standard. So my students could technically go into an internship, know how to shoot, know how to edit at where the industry is at. And I think that's only going to give them a jump ahead in the long run. I've had several of my students pursue communications and they get internships, and even in their beginning level classes, they're teaching the teacher, you know, what they learned in high school as far as Final Cut, shortcuts, different things for shooting, editing, and I think that's phenomenal, and a lot of people are very impressed with that, having that type of exposure in a high school.
Once I'm out there filming, I try and have a variety of different shot types and angles and perspectives and whatnot, and then after that, the editing process, I'd actually say I need a little bit of work on the editing process.
I usually try to go off of a script or a basis, like a shot list, and then once I realize that something could be improved, I usually just improvise while shooting, and I also improvise while editing, seeing and experimenting with various editing programs.
The ability to experiment with cameras and computer programs boosts the confidence of many students and opens a new window to new and exciting challenges in the field.
Even though the students start off with the same editing project, the same footage, I have 20 different projects in every single class. That's amazing. It's really, I don't even know how to describe that process. It's just really phenomenal.
One word, I'd say satisfied. Very, very satisfied.